National Plastics has become a major supplier of products to global mining companies such as BHP Billiton, Anglo American, Rio Tinto, and original equipment manufacturers such as CAT and Komatsu. Our product range has been developed by creating solutions for our customers, and each product is developed with our clients' input. National Plastics and Rubber is not just about manufacturing products for industry, it's about building partnerships with our team, our suppliers, and most importantly, our clients. Easy to handle with the lightweight construction and ergonomic design. Reduce chance of ejection by incorporating the toe design and using construction materials with low resilience. High traction skin eliminates the need for bolt-on feet, making the chock safer and maintenance-free. Instruction plaque will remain legible for the life of the chock. Chemical and solvent resistant in a typical workshop environment. Tough, high-vis, flexible skin. Sacrificial handle prevents damage to the chock if it's abused. Quality guaranteed, with every batch being compression tested and identified for traceability. Every chock design is extensively field tested.